welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kristina Angelina, and if you are returning, thanks for coming on back. As you can see, we're in a different location, different setting, different backdrop, different vibe, as they say. But I am really excited to be partnering with GladGrid on this video. GladGrid came out with a new product, and that is the coolest, softest, most supportive mattress you're ever going to find. So it's the holidays, there's snow outside, Christmas is in about a week, and it's like mind blown, where did 2020 go? I've been really struggling now that it's the holidays, there's snow outside. I've been really struggling to find my parents a gift for the holidays. So I swear, one little thing can always get my gears churning on how to like revamp a room in their house. They do live in an apartment. I wish I can like one day pop up with a set of keys and say, hey, I brought you a home, but I don't have that luxury of doing that for them. So the next best thing that I can offer, that I can do for them, is just kind of like spruce up their apartment. So I've been doing room by room. I've been sharing it on my social media. I have done their living room already. Then I decided, okay, this is the perfect opportunity to do their bedroom. Now think, what is the most important thing in a bedroom? Hint, it's in the name, and that's the bed. A good bedroom means nothing without a quality mattress. So that's why I could not be more excited to be partnering with GladGrid on this, because I just redid their room. So I'm going to keep on talking, and I'm going to share snippets along the way of the transformation. I did do like a semi before, because I don't know about you, I always forget a like literal before. So it's like before the massive change, but if it looks like a little messy, it's because we had already been going through things. My parents have been like going through their drawers, so it looks just a little bit of a mess, but that's not how it looked at all. So I'm going to be sharing with you just like little parts here and there of how I changed up their room. We took out all the furniture surrounding their bed. They had their bed kitty cornered, literally against this wall, like right here, kitty cornered, and it ate up a lot of their space. It made the room actually look much smaller. The color had to go, and so we took out all the furniture, we dismantled the bed. They actually had a queen size bed. And then we went ahead and painted the entire room white. We do probably plan in the future to do like a gray accent wall, but with the storm coming, it was kind of like we ran out. We thought we had more gray paint than we thought, and when the snow came with the snow, we weren't able to run to like Home Depot. So in the future, we will do like a gray accent wall, and that will really make the room look even better. So we just went with a clean slate, clean canvas, which even made the room look so much brighter and bigger, and it literally, I didn't even know it was this big, to be honest. Then we went ahead with a new bed frame to fit their new mattress, which is a king. If you're gonna upgrade, you better upgrade. So not only did they get a new bed, they got a new bed frame, but we upgraded them to king. And I'm telling you, like, all of us have been crashing in here. Then the main event came down, and that was bringing in the mattress, and my parents were pretty shocked that a mattress can actually come in a box. They've seen commercials for it, but like to see it in real life, they were just like, how is there a mattress in this box? So obviously it's vacuum sealed, rolled up in a box, and that's who's helping me in the video is my dad. I needed his help because it was really heavy, and we chucked it on top of the bed frame and just let it roll out and inflate. He was like so amazed to be watching it. And it's really like impressive how they do these things. So right off the bat, I'm in love with the checker pattern. I think it's really cool. The cover is made out of 100% cotton. I think it's really cool that actually on the sides it has like these handles on all four corners, which makes it really easy for you to like maneuver if needed. It didn't take more than an hour to to inflate to what I think is the maximum, but they do recommend for you to wait 24 hours before using the bed. So we still had their mattress from their queen, so they slept on that for the night, and then the next day they were able to enjoy their new mattress. And we've had it for about 5 days now, and everyone's in love with it. It is so, I was really nervous because you know how your parents are like really old school and they like, you know, you never know, things could be like a hit or miss, especially with their bed. Like, you have to think your bed is so important. That's where you recharge every night. So once you first sit on the bed, you really sink. I'm gonna be honest, you sink, and everybody who sat on it was like, oh no, like, I don't know about this. But the moment you lay down, it's a completely different story. It is so supportive and soft at the same time. Like, you don't feel like you're sleeping on a brick, but you don't feel like you're sleeping on a marshmallow where you kind of just like sink in, and then with the brick, like you're just like literally laying on top. No, this one, I can honestly say when I lay down, I can feel my butt sink, but my body stays aligned, if that makes sense. Like, it just curves you. It hugs your curves, I should say. And it's so comfortable to lay in. They do say that it's best for those who are side sleepers and back sleepers, but preferably side. I'm someone who definitely sleeps on my side. And the moment you turn from your back to your side, it's like a complete game changer. It is so immediately comforting. Like, it just feels really good that you're in there, but you're not like sucked in. I've been napping in it. That's my excuse, you know, for research purposes, because I've been staying here with the kids for the week. So I've been getting my naps in just to make sure I can give you guys a good review. And honestly, I love it. I'm jealous. I wish I had it. For them, they actually really love it. My dad, the very first night when he woke up, he was like, my back doesn't hurt. And that right there was like, I've done my job. I nailed this. Yep, this was amazing. Details about the mattress itself. It has a lot of layers to it, which makes it even better because it's not just like a spring mattress. It's not just like a memory foam mattress. Like, there's different layers that are really gonna, it almost makes it like a personalized bed for you, which I think is awesome. That they have a special design called Softest Minus, which is a memory foam that aids in relieving tension. If you catch my eye going to the side, it's because there's so much great information. I really don't want to mess this up. And they also have a technology called shoulder in. So basically, when you're sleeping on the bed, the upper or lower, because there's no wrong way of flipping the mattress, but the upper and lower are softer, but towards the middle it's firmer. So it's really gonna relieve any tension, any pain that you have in your lower back, your hips, but it's also going to sink in the shoulders and really help make sure that it keeps you aligned and it's hitting all the right points. When you're sinking in your shoulders, you're relieving also the tension from your upper body. So it's almost like a spa that you get to go to at night, and it works while you sleep. Honestly, you have to think to yourself, what's one thing that you use every single day, and something that literally can make or break your entire day, and that's your bed. Your bed, you need it every night to sleep, to recharge. It helps relieve the tension from the day. You're just resting, you're sleeping, you're powering up for your next day. If I don't get a good night's sleep, then I'm not gonna have a good day. But this can definitely help at least relieve the tension in your body, help your lower back and your hips and your shoulders. It's just gonna make sure that you're supported through the night in all the right areas, and it's just a great investment to make when it comes down to a mattress. It's the one thing you use every single day. If it's not for you, then it makes a great gift because my parents are absolutely ecstatic with it. Let's talk about sales. Yes, it's the holidays, and what's the holidays without a good sale? So if you head to their website and subscribe before January 5th, you can get 10% off the mattress, which I believe equates to about $230 off. So that's a nice little bonus off the top. So make sure that you check out all the links below. Make sure you click the like, the follow, or subscribe. And I really hope I see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below for me. I will try my best to get to all your questions. But yes, this mattress I definitely recommend. I mean, if my parents are happy with it and they're like tough critics, then anybody will like this. So definitely make sure that you invest in yourself, in your body, in your sleep. If you buy good chargers for your phone, buy a good charger for your body. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if I do not see you before the new year, I hope you have an amazing Christmas. I hope you have an amazing new year. And fingers crossed for at least a good 2021. Thank you guys. Mwah.